Hey everybody, welcome to Motion UX. I want to take a moment to explain what this channel is really about. I create tutorials breaking down the workflows behind UX motion for designers, developers, and everybody in between, and really focusing on how does that happen in a real world production environment. There are tons of tutorials and channels that teach folks how to build amazing animations and designs, and these are great for inspiration, but they don't take into account all the real world constraints that you have when you're working on a real product. The goal of Motion UX here is to teach you how to really think and problem solve with motion, taking into consideration those time constraints, those very real tech limitations, the platform constraints, people that you're communicating with, all of those things into consideration, and how do you push a product from conception all the way into production, and ultimately giving real users, real customers, an amazing experience at the end of the day. And my goal for you is that you would walk away understanding how motion works, how you can actually start crafting your own interactions, how you can start talking with developers, product owners, to push your ideas forward and make beautiful products. And at the very least, starting to understand the power and the value of motion when it comes to incorporating that into your product. And I'm excited to take you all across the journey of understanding what Motion UX is and how it can impact your day-to-day work. And that's what Motion UX is all about. Definitely subscribe so you're up to date on all the latest Motion UX content I'm rolling out.